for bearing with me. Today, before this, I did some setting up of something. What the fuck was I doing? Oh, right, trying out Unicorn. Notably, that did not work. Now, to be fair, first time playing with trying to set up Unicorn on Minikube, so totally I could have done something wrong. But what this stream is going to be about is setting up a test environment that is not just Minikube. I want a little Kubernetes test cluster of my own, and many shout outs to many people who have helped me along the way. And we're going to run this as a very hilarious mixed architecture system, because that sounds great. And the other thing that I've decided to do just now, because every stream should have a last minute decision, is I'm gonna rebuild everything, because I've got an old version of K3s that I've been using, and K3s recently joined the CNCF, and I think that's really cool. So let's use the new stuff. I think it'll be pretty cool. So, with that being said, oh right, I should tell you why I'm doing this. So the reason why I'm doing this is I'm working on a new project where I'm sort of exploring the different options for scaling Python for machine learning. And that's at scalingpythonml.com, I think. Let me check. Yeah, scalingpythonml.com. And I want to have a test cluster, and I want to have some machines with GPUs. I want to have some ARM machines, and I want to have some x86 machines. And I wanted to do this kind of on the cheap. And, you know, that's part of it. The other part of it is Chris Nova got a rack, and it looked really cool. And I was like, I want a rack. We didn't have a puppy yet at the time when I came up with this plan. So it seemed like a great idea to build my own cluster. Now that we have a puppy, okay, well, I guess the sunk cost fallacy is really hard to get over, because I've got a bunch of machines. No, just kidding, a little bit. Not sunk cost fallacy, but like, this is taking a bit more time than I was expecting to spend on this part. But if that isn't every software project I've ever been involved with, I don't know what is. Okay, cool. So let's go ahead. Oh, let's make sure that this started YouTube, because sometimes it does not. And by sometimes, I mean often. Cool, it looks like it has. That's great. Okay, let's go ahead. I'm gonna switch this over to live. Okay, and we're gonna update this to cool. And so that's gonna be what it'll hopefully say. Cool. And cool. Let's do a git pull. Great. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna delete all of this. Well, are we? Are we? Yeah, we are. We are. And so this is, I have like a pile of shell scripts is how I would describe this, for building a bunch of machine images, for doing this stuff. So let's go ahead, scaling Python ML. We're going to go ahead into the make K3s cluster directory, and then what am I going? Oh, probably the setup K3s. That's the part that I'm going to change. K3s. Okay. So yeah, this is where I've got the version set. I should really re-architect these shell scripts, but on the other hand, I also just want to get some stuff done, so probably won't actually do that. And so K3s is a lightweight, highly available Kubernetes. Let's go ahead and find the version. Where's the version? I don't want a demo. I guess let's go to GitHub. Fine. Okay. Well, okay. Looks like there's a 118 release. Let's take a look. Okay. So that is actually the same release. Damn it, why did I delete those images? Yeah. There is no new version. Oh wait, yeah, let's look at the tags. Okay. 118.8. Okay. So, no idea what's changed. Not gonna stop me from upgrading. Woohoo! In theory, minor version, so shouldn't be all that big difference. But you know, let's do that. Oh, okay. Forgot that I made this sort of nesting turtles all the way down. Okay, cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and run bootstrap local, and so this is just gonna go ahead and download a bunch of images. While this is running, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and unplug the currently running Raspberry Pis and eject their SD cards because, oh, and I'm going to find, oh, fuck. Shit. Okay, good. Because we're gonna burn new images to them. And actually, while we're here, actually, yeah, no, I'll do that part first. That sounds fine. Okay. So. Oof. Okay. Interesting. 404 error not found. Okay. Let's go ahead and get the new Ubuntu image for Raspberry Pi. So let's do that. Okay. Raspberry Pi server. Yes. Here we go. Yeah, 64-bit. Let's get the LTS version. Yes. Okay. It's not the plan. Then we're gonna go over here to Bootstrap. Okay. Yeah, here we go. Right. Okay. Cool. I guess minor probably security release, whatever. We'll download that too, and this is being downloaded with Axel. I like Axel a lot, especially because I have Sonic for internet, and I really like Sonic, and I really hope they roll out to more places in the Bay Area, because it's nice to have some competition in internet service providers. Cool. So we're gonna decompress that. That'll probably take a little bit, and now we're gonna go ahead and what these like kind of sketchy shell scripts do. You can tell they're sketchy because I've got like things like Sleep 5 in here. Is they build some images with well, with K3s and with a bunch of other stuff installed in them. And I don't remember why I thought this was a super good idea, but at the time I did. Oh, hello, princess! Yay, friends. Yeah. So this is just the shell script is just gonna do a bunch of shit, and build some new images. While that's happening, I've put the SD card in my little doohickey thingamabobber, and so I'm gonna write some zeros to it. Cool. Let's make sure that's the right device. Is it? Yeah. Okay, cool. So yeah, cool. Let's go ahead and write some zeros to it. I'm sure that'll take a little while. And we can see the little high quality indicator light. It is flashing. That means it's totally for sure maybe working. And while that's happening, this is going to continue to run. And I am going to go grab a cup of decaf coffee and some more water because I am thirsty. And hopefully that'll be fun. Oh, I may have forgotten to update the title on my Twitch stream. I just remembered that. I wonder if I can update that midstream or not. Oh. I wonder what the title is on Twitch. Okay, well, I got my... Yeah. Okay. Running. Let's go ahead to channel. Oh, yeah. I'm not cooking American style tacos. Okay, so Princess says I totally can change it. But oh, okay, edit. Good. Cool. So we're gonna go ahead and save that. We've got the new title. Although now I do kind of want tacos too. Oh, I like tacos. Okay, this is gonna take a minute. So I'm gonna go grab my decaf coffee and a face mask because, as you can see, my skin is not doing great. So that's the plan. I will be right back. Give me a few minutes. I'm also gonna grab some water along with the decaf because, you know, trying to be semi-healthy. I don't know, whatever. Okay. There we go. Coffee. Doohickey thing. Drink. And let's see what our face mask options are. Okay. Got this hydrating face mask, which, of course, you need excellent skin to have an excellent Kubernetes deployment. I'm sure those things could possibly, maybe, be related. So let's see what's happening. Okay, yeah, cool. So the other thing that I did, I think it's installing a bunch of things, like SSH. Oh yeah, yeah it is. Yay! Hi Nova. Nova helped out a lot, and is a lot of the reason why I have this project, because Nova has a really, really cool server rack, and I wanted a server rack too. So I am redeploying the K3s cluster. Yes, Nova has a nice rack, indeed. But I'm redeploying the K3s cluster with the new version of K3s, the new version of Ubuntu, and then I'm going to try and get the doohickey thing. Yes, honka honka, indeed. Trying to be professional on my Sunday afternoon. What was my brain? My brain is somewhere else. I don't remember. Oh, jeez. Things. Oh, right. I'm putting on a face mask. Yes, very important hydrating face mask. And the other thing that I'm going to try and do, although it looks like this download is stalled, that's a little disconcerting, is get the storage provider up and running as before. And then I'm going to try, because I don't think I got it working last time, and try and get the x86 one up and running as well. That being said, let's go ahead and run htop to see what is going on. Oh yeah, and we could see here earlier where I was doing some stuff with Unicorn, and notably it was not working. Okay, so it's probably not hung. It's just sorry, I just realized what I said. It's probably still making progress. We can see the QEMU system doohickey thingamajigger. Anyways, we can see QEMU is doing a lot. So that's probably fine. Although, wait. Wouldn't I be looking for QEMU? Yeah, okay, it's making progress. It's just a little slow. Although, while we're here, I am going to go and do a Minikube stop, because I don't need to be running that. And that's probably going to slow some things down anyways. Oh, yay. Friends meeting friends on the internet. Happy. Cool. Minikube is stopped, and that'll hopefully free up some cycles for apparently OBS. Okay, well, that's fine. That's fine. Yeah, and this download is just... Wait, no, this is still the same download. I am suspicious. Okay. Well. Self-care is deploying your own Kubernetes cluster on a Sunday with a hydrating face mask. Yeah, this doesn't look like it's getting anywhere. Does not look like it's getting anywhere. Hmm. That's weird. I hit Control C. Let's go ahead and make sure that okay, cool. It's fine. We can see it's installing those packages anyways, so that's fine. It probably just had a weird race condition, and I should remember to take. Oh yeah, I do want to figure out how to send email to your new email address. That's on my list of things to do. How? Yeah. How much does a 2 emoji TLD cost? Cause like, I kind of want like, I really like the poop emoji, and I think that would be like fucking hilarious in some open source contexts. Occasionally. Okay. So, well, while this is going and Nova's describing her emoji setup, oh, yeah, that's not too bad. Let's talk about what this is doing. So, the first thing that this does is it bakes sort of a base customized image, and then on top of that, it bakes a leader and worker images, and then it tries to bake a Jetson Nano image as well. Let's take a look. Okay, that's still taking some time. Okay, yeah, so we're still making the base layer. Yeah, okay. Update to... Okay. Oh, okay. We can go ahead and bring that back into the foreground. Right now, that's great. And if we go over here, we should see something. Okay. And we can look at Nova's emoji blog post. Oh. Oh! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. I can got. Oh my god, there's a rainbow poop emoji for free? But it's gonna be $100 a year to renew it. That's where they get you. That's where they get you. This is... I don't know. I don't know. What should I... Which... Okay, which poop should I register? Huh. I don't particularly like GoDaddy, but that's okay. That's okay. We can buy it from someone else. And there's an emoji picker box. Okay. So let's while we're building this domain name, what can we do? So I do like poop. So that's a good one. Ah. Okay. Wait. Scooter. Vespa. Panda. I like panda. I like poop. So poop. What else can I do? What are my other options? I don't want people. Oh! For Dr. Tigum's poop school? Or poop graduate? But yeah, I do like dogs too. Let's see here. Yeah, but it's not. There is a scooter emoji, but I don't know if it works with this thing. Let's find out. Yeah? Okay. Let's see here. What are my options? Actually, I think I probably want gay scooter, not scooter gay. So let's go ahead and switch it around. Oh, cool. What are the supported TLDs? Okay. So this, yeah. Okay. CCTLDs. Okay, I got you. Okay. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. Yeah. Let's see what happens. Okay. Okay. Rainbow flag emoji. No, I want. Okay, copy. Yeah. It looks like it's not supported. I guess we'll just do this, right? That's fine. So, I don't know. Scooter and then a rainbow, or rainbow and then a scooter? Yeah, okay, let's rainbow scooter. No. The poop, too much. Too silly. Vespa. Vroom. Motor scooter. Okay. Scooter. Search. Rainbow. I do like. This. How much is this? Okay. Do I want a .ws or a dot? Well, this is cheaper. I think. I can work with this. I'm not planning to serve WebSockets over it. In fact, probably this is just going to be like some like crappy static scooter page of my scooter adventures. Okay, it's going to cost me $35 to renew it. So I'm not gonna buy it today. Actually, well, let's press register. If I want to buy it for, let's say we add it to cart. Let's go to cart. Say I wanted to buy it for no. Okay, continue. Yeah, okay. So it's $35 a year after that. Oh, I'll wait for the .gay TLD. Yeah, that sounds like my. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Okay. Yeah, that sounds fine to me. Okay, we're still building the root image. Oh, I do. Oh, but I can't do the puny code thing with .lgbt or .gay. How much does it cost? Okay, let's click on these. How much do you charge? $40 a year. Ugh. Good day. Good day. That's all right. We can give it a minute. Okay. So it's installing the. Oh right. Okay. So it's installing ZFS or ZFS. Sorry, I don't actually know which one I'm supposed to say anymore. I'm a bad Canadian, but I do not want to lose that passport, especially right now. Like, oh god. ZFS. Okay. I'm not sure I trust Nova here though. How's it going? Yeah, okay, cool. So at least we're using one core fully for. Okay, well, Princess and Nova agree, so I'll call it ZFS for emulating that. Cool. It looks like we are getting pretty close. I don't remember what we do next. Let's go and take a look at the install script because I have no recollection. Okay, so what do? We so I'm pretty sure we've resized it, and then we set up the. Wait, really? I feel like we have to do something in here, right? Let me just. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah. set up Ubuntu server image. Why did I separate this into functions? I don't know. I mean, I know, but... Okay, set up. Yeah, okay, there we go. So, all right, because the firmware partition... Oh, God, it's all coming back to me. Why did I think this was a good idea? I thought I should have just left it. Oh, well, that's inevitably true. Inevitably true. While this is running, the thing that I am really curious about, and I want to do some poking to see if it's still true, in addition to poop emojis, is I want to figure out if... Oh, hello! Hello, new friend. Tagi or... I want to... Yeah, so... Right. Here we go. So I want to figure out if I still have to use the ARM-specific images, or if they manage to make the multi-platform ones. I'm not super sure. My guess is they probably have not, but you know, who knows? It would be nice if they've made the multi-platform images yet, because like we can see using this random like thing here, maybe not the best idea. Okay, that being said, let's go ceph csi arm. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at this. Obsolete. Okay. Oh, cool. So it looks like as of January, but they're published as separate images, are they? Or is this the multi... No. Oh yeah, it is. Okay. So they have multi-arch for ceph CSI now. So that's cool. That's actually... That's pretty cool. So then the next one that I want to know is CSI registrar image ARM. Let's see if that is available in multiple architectures yet. Or if I still need to use some random... Oh, right, no. Okay. Cool, closing as a duplicate of number 48. Let's go ahead. Yeah. So no idea if this is supported. Someone from 2 days ago is just like, hey, what's up? Is this supported? And so I guess we don't know. So I guess let's go ahead and find out. Yeah. I guess, yeah. Okay. My guess is like probably it's supported CSI registrar image, but let's At the very least, no, right? Okay, cool. So we're going to go here, and you are going to hopefully... Okay, you're telling me that you're deprecated. Okay. Yeah. Thanks for wearing wrist guards. Be safe. Have fun. Let me know when you're back, okay? Okay. Fuck. Okay, so if I go here, okay, no, this is the one. Fuck. Sorry. So how do I figure out what versions this exists in? Yeah. So my guess is that this is not multi-architecture. Although I could be wrong. Okay, so I think this one is still not market. Yeah, this doesn't look multi-architecture. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So I guess we still have to use our hacked version for that. That's fine. Okay. Shouldn't need hack anymore. Probably still needs hack, I guess, although I'm not super sure. Okay, can I Docker fetch container multiple architecture? Docker fetch container list architecture. Okay. No, that's how to build it. I know how to build it in multi-architecture support. BuildX image tools inspect. Fuck yeah. Concrete. Okay. So, yeah, this is still going to take a hot minute. Oh, I don't have BuildX installed on this machine? Okay. Let's install BuildX. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, let's see if I've got experimental. Looks like it's not. Well, who knows? Sure, let's put this in there. if I'm using Docker. I don't think so. No, I'm just fucking around with images. Okay. Restart. Okay, cool. Restart Docker. Whoa. Oh, I should. Nova just left. 'Cause I know that she's got Falco and ARM working, but I haven't gotten around to updating this code to install it correctly, but that's fine. Okay, let's go ahead. Okay, experiment Docker build X. Huh. You keep saying it's not. Okay. I would like to install build X. Yes. Okay, maybe I have to install a new version of Docker, I guess. Okay. Let's uninstall the old versions. Oh, the page says config.json. Cool. I do not pay a lot of attention to my life, so let's try. Although, wait, no, it says experimental server. Like, if I run it, it says the experimental stuff is enabled. So I probably just don't have the up-to-date Docker on this machine, I'm guessing. Looks like I did not install it with apt. Cool. That's going to be a problem. That's fine. Okay. Add the apt repo for Docker. Okay. Yep. Yeah, I'll deal with that later. I have some Ubiquity gear running my network, but I don't really want to deal with it. Honestly, I was expecting conflicts. Phone on the charger. Okay, that's fine. Okay, it's coming up. I feel like I'm missing something because I'm kind of lazy. I tend to skim things. When did Docker build X become a thing? Okay, this is version 19. Okay, I'm not. So that's weird. I am. So it says 19.0.3, And this is 19.0.3. Okay. I don't understand. But that's okay. We're just going to install it manually. Because why not? Yeah? Because sometimes documentation is optimistic. Oh, yeah. Let's go ahead and re-enable experimental. Yes. Ugh. Although, that still says true. I don't... whatever. Let's just do this. It's probably fine. It's probably fine. I mean, like, it probably should have overridden that config file, but it didn't. But also, like, whatever, computers, right? What silly friends' computers are. Yeah, probably not going to do any AWS deployments, in the short term. Focused on using my at-home Kubernetes cluster. Yes, I don't know why we've chosen computers as our lives, but we have, for better or worse, and so that is what it is. Sure, let's pretend this is totally normal. Okay. Lovely. Okay. It's at least sort of working now. So, what we're going to do is we're going to go find this node driver registrar. Okay, Docker fetch? I don't know. Can I do that? Docker pull? Yeah. Wait, what? That normally works. What? Why is that not working? Okay. No, okay. Let's go ahead. Please search for this, Google. Lovely. I would like to pull this. I guess let's take a look at what your tags are. Okay, so let's try v130. Sure, maybe they just don't want you pulling latest. I can see that. Okay, and now we are going to go ahead and expect this. Okay. This doesn't tell me a lot. But we do know the multi-doohickey thingy container. Well, let's go read the docs quickly before I... Yes, okay, well, so that does not look to be the case. Because we're not seeing multiple manifests. That being said, I don't want to specify the SHA tag. Okay. that being said, let's see about yes, this one from 11 days ago. That's certainly possible. Oh, yes. Okay. I guess they don't publish their release candidates here. Yeah, okay, so here's what I'm going to do, though, because someone else was also asking this question. We are going to go back here to wherever someone else was asking that question. Okay. Cluster, driver, registrar, ARM. Lovely. Okay. Is that? CSI. Cluster. Okay. CSI, registrar, image, ARM. Okay, yes. Great. Is this it? Or is this the one that's deprecated? Okay. Then we're going to go over to, I guess, issues. Multi-arch build, lifecycle frozen. Cool. And then we go down to the bottom. So, I was also curious. It looks like the latest release does not yet have a multi-build Iran. Okay. And I got back. Okay. And so, yeah, and then I got back. If v2os plan to support multi-arch builds. Cool. And so that's just like, hey, what's up? I also had the same question as you. As far as I can tell, no bueno. Oh, hello. I am streaming, so you might want to be careful.
I'm not going to show my titties on the camera.
Yes.
Timbit is still asleep.
Oh,
He's
thanks,
like
Steve.
Very asleep.
Yes.
Love you.
Hey, Snuggle, love you.
Snuggle.
He's had a very big day. Timbit is our puppy, and he's had a very big day. And I'm very proud of him.
He's such a good boy.
He's such a good boy. He is. Okay, but the TLDR is no dice on this one. So we still have to use this weird hacked version. So that's true. Let's go take a look and see about the sizer arm. CSI. Okay, CSI. I think this is. Yeah. What? Okay, rook operator. Seth rook operator. Let's. This might actually simplify my life. Because what I'm gonna do. Do I use Ceph? I don't actually remember if I want to use Ceph. Oh, it looks like I am. So, yes. We're going to go over into their example files, and I'm going to look at, yes, their operator, and yeah. Cool. Let's go ahead and take a look. Yeah, no, this doesn't look like it supports multiple versions. Let's go take a look at CSI Provisioner. Sorry, by multiple versions, I meant multiple architectures. This also doesn't look like it supports multiple architectures. Oh, okay. Let's see about the snapshotter. Also not looking like we've got multiple architectures here. Damn it. Yeah, so none of these are really all that rocking. Okay, so the one that we can change is the Rook Ceph CSI image. Okay, that's fine. We can do that. Rook Ceph CSI. So we are gonna go ahead and yeah. Guess let's just use version 3.1, I guess. And let's hope that works. Okay. Multi-arch images for Ceph CSI. Okay, cool. That's still taking time. That's still taking time. And that's really not doing anything. Let's go ahead. All right, okay. Sudo. Oh, yeah, good. Good catch. Yeah, almost certainly. Yes. Staples are fine. Thanks, Princess. Okay. Yeah, okay, so Sync is our friend. He's just forcing a whole bunch of I/O, and really that just means everything's blocked on my not super fast SD card write, which is a little annoying because I know this, and I should know better because this is not the first time that I've done that. So that's a little bit frustrating. Let me figure out what the next thing I can do, though, while we're just blocked on I/O is I guess we could be more sure because some of them seem to have migrated away from Quay. So let's check those out really quickly. Oh god damn it, where was I? Okay, cool. So oh, this is release 1.4. Let's go ahead, pump this up to the current working branch. Cool, yeah. So yeah. Right. This is the one. Yeah, we already checked this one. CSI resizer. That one just really, as far as I can tell, has not had a lot in the way of updates. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this is the fork, which adds multi-architecture support. But why do I have to use some random sketchy fork from, like, why? I don't. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Where is this? Yeah. March. Come on. Oh, that's cool. Oh, fuck yeah. Sorry. This is awesome. Okay. So, that's cool. We can just use these in the meantime instead of having random different people. Okay, cool. So, sounds good. Yes. No. Okay. Does have some releases. Thank God. Okay. So, Raspberry CSI node driver, registrar. And then what version is it that we're using over in? Or we could just use latest. That's probably a recipe for disaster. Eh, whatever. Let's just use latest. Like, this is not super production, but at least it's going to hopefully do a better job of tracking stuff. Cool. Let's go. Yeah, cool. So that's exciting, I guess. Oh, have we? Great. Okay, cool. Oh. Okay. Cool. Great. Okay, so that's fine. We do a final resize, some minor stuff. The main thing is we've finished with our big right thing. The other thing is over here, we can the Raspernettes folks are cross building multi-arch images. For now, let's pick those instead. Cool. So that's great. And so this is important because otherwise, like, these things would only be able to run on the x86 node, and also, as far as I can tell, there's no way to really configure that easily. So, that being said, also, I don't super care about that one, so we are going to go ahead. Cool. And I'm going to delete the leader and worker images because I want to actually really only whatever, I'll just delete both of them. Really quickly. Oh fuck, I deleted the customized one too. No, Holden. Oh, my brain. Start all over. Silly Holden. Silly Holden. Oh well, that happens. Welcome to my life. Damn. Okay, I think it's time for a drink of Perrier. And I'm gonna grab. I think I hear Timbit. So this is gonna run again. Although to be fair, it should take a little less time because we won't be like blocking on that sync call where we're flushing all of the bytes to the SD card. And also, we got this part working. But I'm gonna go see if I can get us a dog for a few minutes to play with because, like, fuck, that's depressing. Hey, I screwed up and created everything I've been doing on the screen. That's a temporary real. Even Professor Tintin. Good news, yes? We can meet friends. They're on the internet though, but like that's okay. That is okay. Where'd you go? Where'd you go, Professor? Okay, here we go. I know you don't super love it when I pick you up. But here we are! Yeah. Yeah, this is the internet. Yes, okay, let's go ahead. We'll switch this so that people can see more of you and I don't have to look. Oh, fucking hell. Sorry, it's been a long day. Okay, so Professor Timbit is right here. He is the sweetest. My bra straps are kind of falling everywhere. Sorry. It's been a long day, but it's a-okay. And Professor Timbit is the best boy in the world, and I love him. And I should have got some treats from. Oh, you're gonna look right inside my nose, aren't you? Yeah, you are. That's where our friends are. Yeah. Can you smell them? No, you can only smell my nose. Okay, well I get it. I love you. Yeah. 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 So, I want to tell you, I fucked up and I accidentally deleted all of my work. Or not quite, but I deleted a bunch of it. And you're helping out a lot with your cuddles. So thanks for doing some cuddles with me. I know Carolyn's probably a lot more interesting right now. She's got some fun projects going on, and all I've got are these two kind of weird screens, and there's no treats over here. Yeah, and I don't have any of your toys. All there are forbidden toys. And yes, he is such a good puppy. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and take you back to your other mommy really quickly. And we are going to let this thing run really quickly. No, forbidden toy. Forbidden toy. Okay, come on. Let's go. Good boy. Good boy. Yeah, we're gonna go back to the other room. Come on. Yeah. Close the other doors. Okay, I'm back. Professor Timbit has been granted the increased freedom to explore the house. I have to keep an eye on him while he's in this room, but he's got one of his little squeaky toys to play with, so he's being a very good boy. And I am gonna use some Taco Bell. Sorry, let me. That's a great question. So for this purpose, like baking an image is just We take like the basic Ubuntu image, or we take the basic Jetson Nano, which is also Ubuntu, but it has some like NVIDIA specific stuff on top of it. And we install all of the things that we care about it inside of it. And then we have an image file, and then I can go ahead and I can write that image file out to an SD card, and I can boot my machines off of it. And we could also do the same thing with like Pixie booting, and various other things can also take an image file to boot off of. And so part of the reason why this is so slow is, yeah, this is an old computer, but also the images that I'm baking are for ARM machines, and this is an x86 machine, and it doesn't have like anything particularly fancy, so it's just using QEMU to do the emulation. As we can see, you know, QEMU is really good. It works, but like it's definitely it's got some misses, right? And some of the things that we're doing, like installing ZFS, involves recompiling the kernel, and so that's kind of slow, even without emulation added in the middle. And so having emulation added in the middle, it's not gonna be blazingly fast. Although I'm actually really impressed at how well this works. Like, it's a little slow, but it works, and that's pretty magical. Like, oh, I will be right back. Timbit has got something he is not supposed to. Timbit, drop it. Good boy. Let's get you a treat for being such a good boy. Yeah. Oh. Swing out for focus. Good boy, though. You're a really good boy. I'm proud of you. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's done. And he did really well. That's a pen. Oh. If there's one person who finally teaches me to stop leaving stuff on the ground, it might be Timbit. I don't know. That's going to be a lot on him, though. But I think he's doing a pretty good job of training me on that. Okay. What's he going after? How's our build coming along? Okay. Yep. We are. What did we install? ZFS. Okay, gotcha. And we're building the modules. Okay. Yeah. Wonder what he's doing. Okay. That's going to take a little bit of time. So frustrated I deleted all that. It's the day in the life, though, I guess, or whatever. Let me go find out what he's chewing on. I'm excited for when he gets a little bit bigger. Yes, and at least it's just waiting. And he can no longer crawl under everything. Right now he can crawl under everything. So whenever I hear something, I have no idea what you're getting into. Yeah, none. No idea. It's because you're so tricky and smart and brave. Yes, you are. He's such a good boy. We had a really good friend's dog came over, and a really good friend, but for the purposes of Timbit, you know, the important part is the friend's dog. And they played together some in the backyard, and it tuckered him out. So that's good. Just remember, the other thing that I can figure out while we're waiting here is if my network interface, if my router is up and running well. Okay, that's my 5:30 alarm to take my afternoon drugs. Interesting question. Not sure if I took them. Okay, so that's interesting. Looks like that router is probably horked. Oh, and he is chewing something he should not be. I will be back. Hey, baby. No. Okay. We are back. We are back. He was chewing on, it's some IKEA furniture, and it's probably, like I can understand, it's very exciting to chew on, but it's probably pretty terrible for him to chew on, all things considered. Okay, let's see here. No, we're still installing this. initial set of things. Oh. And thanks, Princess. Okay. Looks like my router's a little not in great shape, but I don't want to reboot it because obviously it'll break a bunch of stuff. So I guess we'll just hang out, let it run. I don't really have another plan. I guess the other possibility, which is pretty tempting. Let's check and see how long this stream's been going on for. Oh yeah, we're at the hour-and-a-half mark. Maybe what I'll do is I think I'm gonna end the stream for now and bake the images because we've already gone through that once, and I'll start another stream where we've got the machines up and running, and we're like get them to talk to each other and be happy. So thank you for joining me. Thank you for spending some of your, I'm pretty sure it's a Sunday evening with me. I know there's probably a lot of other interesting things you could be doing, but it really means a lot to me. Those of you who tuned in for a little bit, it's nice. I like having people to talk to. In the world that we have today, that's challenging for all of us, I think. So lots of love. If there's any final questions, totally down to do that. Otherwise, I'll just come back later on, and I'm gonna go take a nap while this wraps up. Or like, I mean, final questions. Like, if anyone has any questions about what we did today before I go and take a sleep. How gay am I? That's an interesting question. Complicated to answer, I would say. Oh, fuck. Okay, I need to reboot. I forgot about this. Damn it. I would say pretty gay. I think I sleep with... I can't say every gender because there are so many different and unique genders, but like, yeah. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I'm married. I have a girlfriend. I have a date friend. We have a Subaru with a Lesbrew sticker on the back of it. Yeah, pretty gay. Not like a 10 out of 10, right? Like, I'm not, there are people who are gayer than I am, of course, and to that. But it's good. Well, I mean, I think it's important. Anyways, thanks for hanging out, everyone. I'll see y'all around soon. And I'm gonna wrap up the stream, reboot, and rebuild the images. Ugh. It's my life. Bye.